Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from derivatives and we have to differentiate with respect to x the following function. The function given here is x raised to e raised to x. First of all, we name this function as y. Let y be equal to x raised to e raised to x. Now this is of the form fx raised to gx, right? And hence we use logarithmic differentiation in this case. So next step is taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we obtain log y is equal to log of x raised to e raised to x. So we get log y is equal to, now this is the form log of a raised to b, that becomes b times log a. So we have log y equal to e raised to x into log x. Now proceeding further, we get, now if we differentiate with respect to x, so derivative of log y would be 1 by y times dy by dx, and on the right hand side we apply the multiplication rule. We have e raised to x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of e raised to x. So proceeding further, we have 1 by y dy by dx is equal to e raised to x into, now derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now, if you observe on the right hand side, we could take e raised to x as the common factor. So we obtain 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, taking e raised to x common, in brackets we have 1 by x plus log x. So therefore, dy by dx is equal to y times e raised to x into 1 by x plus log x. But we know that y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. So we just replace that y over here. So finally we have dy by dx is equal to x raised to e raised to x into e raised to x into 1 by x plus log x. So this is the required derivative value.